All right, let's take a quick look at a solution here. So without a doubt, we know that we need to write out 3 different subqueries. The first one is going to calculate our maximum price, then the minimum, and then the average. We're going to combine all these together with one single outside select statement. So we will put in a select. I'll then put in a set of parentheses, and inside of here, we're going to calculate the max price, and we'll make sure that we rename the result of this subquery. So I will do a select max price from phones, and then rename the result to as max price. And that's pretty much it. We're then going to repeat that 2 more times. The next one will be a select min price from phones. I'll again rename it with a as min price. And then finally, select average or AVG price from phones as AVG price. And then a semicolon on the very end. All right, let's go ahead and check our solution. And after a brief pause, yep, looks like we got it. Cool. Well, quick pause right here. Continue in just a moment.